kill Christians who are victims of false prophetic churches?
We have to be careful when it comes to victims. Let me tell you why. It's called a false prophet. He gave a very specific description. He said they are wolf in sheep clothing. That means they're not a Christian. Usually, with false prophets, you will see a sexual perversion, usually. Because where there's false teachings, there are sexual perversion.
Sure.
So when people is a false teacher, wrong, very bad doctrine, you'll see sexual perversion beginning to come in. Same with false prophets. Paul gave a solution in Corinthians. He said, when one prophesies, let three others judge.
Okay. There's no one owns the land, so everyone is welcome to stay wherever they want to. Yet some, they are saying, no, the land, there are legalities. You see.
Well, then I can go stay in your house. Then you can come and stay in my house and I can't say anything. But everybody just owns everything. So when people can make a very wrong mistake, they can think, but when I say ANC, I mean black. And when I say DA, and I'm not a DA voter, I mean white. That is just simpleton thinking. Because there's many black people in the DA.
Exactly.
And I'm sure there's some white people in the ANC. So ANC on purposely destroyed the country. And they are purposefully destroying the country.
Sure.